let me tell you something. OMG, what do she have on? She ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong, cause she ratchet. I'm about to take this heifer picture. She ratchet. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Oh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she two-faced. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. A baby boy. And it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant. I still hit the club. Middle of the floor. No shoes. Whistle. Had to get cute today. Out by jeans for boots today. And here, shoot today. Gonna be feet up. Move, tramp. Watch that fit. I got my food stamp. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tag. Got a $5 plus weed plus tax. Been thing go right shake about. Oh, this head this can't come out. For real? Girl, bye. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Hey, girl. Yeah, girl, you look real good. Yeah, girl. Alright. I'ma call you back. Alright. OMG, what did she have on? She ratchet? Her lace front was all wrong, cause she ratchet. I'm about to take this hair for a picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with these shoes on. Oh, I just want to punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, she's two-faced. Games in that. But for real. What? Maury. Girl, you better get it. Oh, we don't like them red bones. Yeah, girl. Oh, you gonna follow me on Twitter? We gonna team Chris Brown. And then we gonna team shut it down. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's team he paying. I mean, if he got a lot of money, he might as well spend it on me. Don't be a hater. Don't be a hater. Okay? Don't be a hater. I'm just saying, don't be a hater. Because you know how you do. Okay? OMG, what did she have on? Girl, her lace front was all wrong. Oh, I'm about to take this hair for picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with these shoes on. Oh, I just want to punch him in his face. Because I can't stand him. Oh, he is two-faced. Girl, bye. Whatever. You ain't ready. Tell your man hit me up at my Twitter name so I know it's real. Okay? That's what I'm talking about.